thing that I love about this event is it brings together a group of practitioners who are here to talk about the job. Whether the job is, how do I use cutting edge techniques? Whether the job is, how do I get my organization data ready? Or even the job is, how do I build my team?
There's a reason why I keep coming back. I really enjoy sharing my experiences with the community, as well as learning about the technical and business applications in data science.
Incredible the caliber of leaders, data, passionate individuals that we are meeting here, from the biggest companies in the world to the very coolest startups. It's just been a really wonderful time here.
I love this event. I'm so happy to be here. I started coming to these DSS events in 2019 before the pandemic, and we're really great to see this emerging data science community, the volume of people, the quality of the talks, the growth of people from outside Miami coming here.
It is worth the time, it is worth the money, it is worth the availability to be able to come and network with like-minded people and see the growth of this particular venue and how it can benefit your organization. Hope to see you next year.
Attend, participate, sponsor.